Gina with WTI. It's time to ditch all those ugly plastic pictures that you have hanging around your house and get something that is truly stunningly beautiful. I love how simple but unique this glass pitcher is from KROSNO. I got it specifically to use at a bridal shower that I threw recently for a friend, and it made our mimosa and sangria bar look so elegant and refined. I love the curve of the handle. It's so solid but still looks dainty, and the spout on the front is one of my favorite things about it because it is so delicate and cute. The crystalline glass that this is made out of is so clear. It's just stunning, and it's also very durable. This was handmade in Poland, and KROSNO has been in business for more than 100 years, and you can see that they really know their craftsmanship well. This is so beautifully designed and made. I absolutely love having it in my home. I recently took it to a friend's house and did infused water with cucumber and some citrus, and everyone remarked how beautiful it was. This glass pitcher has completely exceeded my expectations. You are not going to be disappointed with it, and that's my point of view.